What does a truly calm and graceful home look like to you? For us, it's right here. Welcome to the Ivory Haven, designed by architects Asro Arcade with its facade crafted by Metaguise. A whole range of our signature facade technologies come together, blending beauty and function effortlessly. From crisp white MetaCassette frame double-height balconies to a dramatic box balcony in natural wood finish MetaFlutes, this home has it all. But the real showstopper is the slide fold system in wooden MetaLouvers that transforms the space for privacy or openness. A vertical strip of monochromatic MetaShingles adds layered grey accents, while grey MetaLouvers create a breezy, welcoming entrance. This two-sided facade ensures the architectural language wraps seamlessly around the home, making it a soothing experience for the eyes. Altogether, these elements create a quiet, refined elegance for the Ivory home. This facade is iconic. It's a statement. It's Metaguise.